So now, what if I wanted to build a house? The square, if you remember, we added the value size. So in this case, I'm going to say edit on my triangle, and I'm going to do the same. I'm going to say plus, and for the input name, I'm going to use size, and for the title, I'll also just say size. This is mostly just for information. And I'll say apply. And you can see, as soon as I say apply, whoopty, the size gets applied. But we haven't transferred the size internally within the little triangle machine here. We haven't told the size. So I'm going to do this. Then I'm going to take it so we teleport it over here so it's actually in use over here. Right. So now I should be able to, firstly, let's just verify. There's a square. And I, for some reason, need to take my pen. Yeah. There you go. The pen needs to be down, of course. So now you can see, what do you think will happen if I make an equivalent triangle and I'm running it? So you can see now we have a little problem that the roof is not on top of the house, and I want to improve this. So, but before I go on with this, I want to make a new block where I say make new block, and I'm going to call it house. And I'm going to add the side, so we know how long it is, side, so we can scale it later on if need be. Side, and just for the prettiness of it, I'm going to do side here also. So now I'm taking my two elements and I'm building a new house, and as you can see, it's 100. Right. But the problem is I want the roof to go on top of, so I'll just do a screenshot here. We can just check what we have. So you can see we have a house that is, we need to move forward before we start doing the triangle. So what I can do is I move the length of the side, and let's see if that improves things. So yes, it does. I'll just, by the way, lower my y-axis a little, and it makes it easier to see what's going on. Let's go -80. Yes. And just for the prettiness, -60. Yes. So if this angle is 60 and the outer angle is 120, then this gap must be 30. So I should be able to, before I do the triangle, I simply turn 30 degrees. Yay. I finished my house, and now you can see we have combined two existing elements into a new one and tweaked it a little so we have a new entity to go into our library. Yep.